Greetings, and welcome to another episode of 1320 Time Stream. Well, we're on the last day of the Yellow Warrior wave spell, and what a cool day it is. Yellow Cosmic Star. Well, let's get into some information here for you to read. Okay, now for a quick breath. Okay, so this code here is going to be located in our left ankle and our right next to baby toe, activating it on an in-breath. Begin. Okay, so first things first. As far as all of those moons go, this is the final of the mystic moons, and so and it's also the heart chakra. Yesterday was our solar plexus, and so we've gone through all of the 7 chakras and are in the last moon, representing the embodiment of that new age, the embodiment of our ascension qualities and things of this nature. And yeah, so it's marked by the cosmic star, and yeah, really going into that heart space layer of that embodiment of our ascension, embodiment of what that 2012 frequency, that 2013 frequency, means to us, the way that we show up for it and that we embody it. And we've gone through every other layer of the chakra system embodying that, and coming into our final layer here in the heart space. And so this isn't necessarily the last day, because tomorrow is the representation of kind of going into the hyper portal, which is the start of the moon genesis and the start of the moon wave spell. It's actually really special. And the 7 last moons and the 7 mystic moons, symbolized by this whole wave spell's codes and the 2 last days of the last wave spell as well, are kind of like the arithmetic. It's like how we're embodying, what we're letting go, all those kind of things. And then it's like, okay, we've done it all, and boom, now we're here. And so then we're sustaining these qualities as the moon genesis comes to be. So yeah, let's get into today's actual code. We've got the cosmic star. So the cosmic star is a fun one, because that we've gone into that crystal aspect, and I find that crystal aspect is very much like the galactic aspect, which is about integrity. And so the crystallization is, it's like, okay, it's become simplified, it's become liberated and let go, it's become manifested in the planetary tone, all of it. Kind of like how a crystal is forged in heat and pressure. And so there's no unnecessary qualities left. It's like the great warrior in the warrior wave spell has gone through all the permutations and has now reached the cosmic tone that is now coupled with elegance. And so, that aspect of death, which then trimmed away a lot of the unnecessariness, and then kind of going into that crystallized form of healing and embodiment that we really touched upon yesterday, now is like a bright and readily available elegance. So much so that it's become cosmic. And so that's I find the galactic tones and the cosmic tone are similar, but they're different levels of lasting integrity kind of thing. And so this energy, the cosmic star, is now embodying this in a very eternal, very lasting, very infinite way. It's truly here to the point where it's gone cosmic, and the qualities are really bringing that healing into a state of elegance, bringing that healing into a state of beauty, which is a very simple form of non-resistant embodiment. It really represents the lack of a struggle. kind of energy. And so especially when coming after the crystal hand in the way that it has, especially on these particular codes that symbolize the moons, I find it really is, it feels like a very good way to end the cycle in that respect, because we're ending on a very Zen note. Yeah, the note of sustained beauty and sustained elegance and harmony. Okay, so that will be it for our wave spell, and let's get into the affirmation. Stay tuned.